Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I want to talk about how to prepare course examination mark sheets. Okay, assuming that you're a lecturer in ABC University and you're taking a course on accounting, okay, and you want to prepare the results, okay, for this particular student, 10 students that you have. Okay, so now what you do is there's a question. You gave out 4 questions to the students, and that will amount to 70%. Then as a lecturer, you have 30%, okay, to yourself. Now, what you just need to do is this space where there is no color. That's what will be of your interest. These parts where there is a green color are going to be automated so that whatever you feel here will automatically respond to those colors. Okay, so now let's assume that in this question, this student has 50%, and this one has 10%. The same student has 12%, 30% in the third question. The fourth question, he has 80%. Now you want to know the summation of this student, the summation of this course that this matriculations number have. So you come here, you sum them together, close it. Okay, just drag it down. Okay, this other space needs to be filled. You can just come out and it's need to be filled. Assuming that this is what the student have, this is their percentage performance. Assuming that this is their percentage performance. Okay. I'm just trying to fill out this space so that we can have scores for all. Okay. Okay. This scores for all the students, the exam scores. Now you add your CA. Okay. You're also entitled to, the lecturer also entitled to 30%. So you decide to give based on the performance of the student in the class attendance and class tests. Okay. So if this is what you have, then you want to determine what is the total scores of the student. So you come here, write some, then you scroll, and excuse me, you drag it down. Okay. Now you see the scores of the student now. This is the total scores. Now you want to know the grade. Okay, you come and say, if at this time you need to take it, don't rush, just take it gradually. If at the end you make a mistake, then you can check and correct it accordingly. Okay, so that's the way I used to do this. Okay, let's check. You see, this is false now because it is outside the range. Okay, you come and put your cursor before the close parenthesis. Then you come again, same expression. Okay, see, it's less than 45. If it's less than 45, then that means that the student will have E. Okay, So then we have E. Then if is less than 50, then the student will have D. Okay, the student will have D. Then if open parenthesis is less than 60, the student will have C. If it's less than 17, the student will have B. If, like I told you, just take it step by step. If less than 100, student will have A. Remember, open how many open brackets that we need to close? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you come here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press enter. Okay, you drag it down. So you see the grades of the students. You have A, you have B, you have A, you have D, you have F, you have A. Let's have C. Okay, let's reduce this to, let's reduce this to let's reduce this as much as possible so that we can have C. Yes, we have C now. We have D. We have F. Let's have E. Let's have E. Let's have E. E. Let's have E. Let's have E. Okay. We have E, have A, B, C. We have D, have E, have F. Everything completes. Okay. So this is the grades. Okay. Assuming that you want to put remarks, maybe you say, okay, this person is decision, or this one is very good. This one is distinction. This one is very good, or this one is good. You can also program it. Okay, you can also program it. You just the same formula with this. So you just take on and take if is less than 40, you return fail. Okay, as against the F that you will have. Okay, and come back with the console before the close parenthesis. Now come and say if, okay, is less than 45, return pass. Okay. If the A is less than 15, it's less than 15, you also return credits. Return credits. If CA is less than 16, return goods. if CA is less than 70, return very good. If C8 is less than 100, return distinction. Distinction. Extinction. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you have drag it down. See distinction, very good. Distinction, very good. Good. Distinction, pass, credit, fail, and distinction. Okay, so you want to know the student, the number of students that's participated in this exam. Just come and rolling, click 10. Okay, so now this summary also help you to know how many A's, how many B's, how many C's, how many F that we have. So what you do, come say equals to invited comma A underscore invited comma okay, count if count if count if okay, so return A, close the bracket. Okay, just take it gradually, don't rush. If there's any mistake, you can't check your work. Okay, so come here, take A underscore double invited comma and if return A. Okay, B underscore underscore okay, and if return B. Underscore C underscore okay, and if don't C okay, underscore B underscore and if return D. Okay, just gradually. Remember, we are programming it. Return E. Okay, we're almost there. Underscore F underscore. We're almost there. Okay, return F. Click enter. Beautiful. This is our results sheet. Mark sheets complete. Now, anything you do in this white space, it will definitely reflect these green colors. Let's assume that this person had 10, 11. This one had 20 here. You see that change, and it has affected this. If here is 15, it's now station, and it also affects the summary. Okay, let's take this field now. This field now is here is 0. Okay, let's look at, assuming it has 20 here, then it has turned to C. Okay, and assuming it has 12 here, that's turned to B. And this B has also increased. Okay, this D now, we only have one D here. Assuming this D now have 20 here, that turns to B. No longer B here. No longer D here. Then B has increased to 4. This, if you have this as a lecturer, it will help you. It will enable you to meet your targets, meet your time of submission of your marking scheme, your result sheets. It also help your work, So what you just do is that you just to do this, have these templates down and save. Then anytime you want to edit, just edit a part that is not colored, and you have your results. Thank you for joining me. Okay.